On the 7th of August this year, I wrote to Prime Minister Rishi Sunak with evidence that I'd received from Dr. Josh Guchko of the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, which indicated that Pfizer had been enabled by the MHRA, the Medicines and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency in the UK, to carry out a bait and switch operation with their vaccine, which meant that the Pfizer vaccine that was tested on 22,000 individuals with 22,000 in a placebo group was not the same vaccine that was rolled out in the UK and around the world. The compelling evidence for this is the fact that on the second day of mass vaccination in the UK, the MHRA changed the guidelines, told people they had to stay at the vaccination centre for 15 minutes after vaccination. The reason for this remaining at the vaccination centre was the risk of anaphylactic shock. The MHRA hadn't expected anaphylactic shock because it wasn't shown in the Pfizer trials. You only get anaphylactic shock when there are endotoxins in the vaccines. You only get endotoxins in the vaccines when they've been cultured up in bacteria such as Escherichia coli. That demonstrated that the vaccine that was rolled out around the world was not manufactured in the same way or to the same standards as that vaccine that they'd got medical approval for. That means that nobody could have given informed consent. They were told that the vaccines were safe, effective and tested, and what they were taking was a completely untested vaccine from Pfizer. I'm still waiting for the Prime Minister to respond to the 44 pages of evidence I supplied on this matter, which is of crucial importance to the health and well-being of our nation.